Hi everyone. Oh my gosh. It's the morning, so I look awful, but I really wanted to get this video in. This is gonna be a video on how I pack my makeup and what it is that I decide to take and how I narrow that down, even though I'm not very good at the narrowing part, but you know, I try. So yeah, let's just jump right into this video. So here I have all the items that I want to take. I have two Ziploc bags. Hi, yeah, so it's actually not two, it's 3 Ziploc bags. The rest of my makeup, the palettes that I'm going to be taking, and my makeup bag and a brush case. I will go more into detail in a second. So I'm just going to start in order that people do their makeup. So primers. I'm going to put my primers in this little baggie. The primers that I'm going to be taking is the Smashbox Primerizer and the Becca Prime Light First Light Priming Filter. And I have cute little travel sizes, so it's like perfect for this traveling. Also this video is perfect because a lot of people are probably traveling for Thanksgiving, so here you go. So I've got my primers in there. I'm going to put my face oil in here as well, just because I believe that this should go in a Ziploc bag so that if it does spill or break or whatever, it's all contained in here. The next thing that I'm going to pack are my concealers. So I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealers in 2 shades because I never really know what shade I am in concealer. And I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in case I need something stronger, which I probably will. So baggie number 1 done. Primers, face oil, concealers. Also, like when you close them, you want to try to get as much air out as possible so that they take up less space. Ta-da! I've got my new baggie, and in this bag I'm actually going to put my CC cream, my foundation, and my Milk Matte Bronzer, which is this guy right here. I have been loving this. I feel like it's so easy to apply and it gives you such a natural glow. I really like it. Haha! So I've got bronzer, CC cream, foundation. In the next baggie, I'm gonna put all my lip products, and I have a lot of them because I'm like the type of person that decides on the day what lip color they're gonna wear. So of course I have some nudes, I have some more fallish browns, and then I have some reds. Because red's a classic. And then I'm gonna put my glosses in there. So I'm gonna start with the Smashbox. This is in the shade Always On. And I love it. It's such a good nude. It's beautiful. Next, I'm gonna put in my Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the shade French Tickler, which I've been loving, by the way. I have to show you a new lip combo that I adore. Let's just continue with the glosses now that we're at it. I'm gonna put Buxom's Hot Toddy and Kristen in there as well. Anastasia Beverly Hills' Pure Hollywood. Yes, Pure Hollywood. Wow, I got that. Kat Von D's Lolita, because it's a perfect fall color. You see it looks good with my nails and everything. Anastasia Beverly Hills' Bloodline, which is a red. ColourPop's Catching Feels, which is, it's like a more nude red, if that makes sense. Anastasia's Heathers, which is like a vampy red, for me. Kylie Cosmetics Ginger, because this is a very nice fall nude. It's a little darker on me than a nude, but it still qualifies. The last 3 things that are going to go in this bag are my lip liners. So I have a Kylie Cosmetics one for that ginger shade, and I have a Pat McGrath Ultra Lip Pencil in the shade Buff. I've actually really been liking this. It's so expensive, you guys. It's so expensive. Okay, I'm just very dramatic. It's expensive, but expensive for a lip liner. Nothing like out of this world either. But I made good use of my 20% off, and I used it on this because I've been hearing great things about it, and I haven't really found a lip liner that I like, so I figured I would just do it and it would be worth it. And so far it has been. I'm still testing it out, that's why I haven't really spoken about it. But I will let you guys know more in depth later. And the absolute last thing in this bag is going to be my Fresh Sugar Rosé lip treatment. So this is the lips baggie. I got my 3 baggies. Okay, the next thing I'll do is my brushes. In terms of brushes, I narrowed it down to 4 eye brushes, and the rest are face brushes. One's a powder brush, the other one's a contour, and I'm not really worried about like taking more. Like, I don't care if I have brushes that I don't end up using because of this fantastic makeup like brush case. Not plural, case. This is the MorpheXJaclyn Hill brush case, and I love it. It really helps retain the shape of your brushes, and the reason that I don't mind putting in extra that I'm not going to use is because it's not going to take up any more or less space since I'm putting it in here anyway. So let me open it for you so you see what the inside looks like. So it looks like this, and then it opens like this. So you just open it, and then you can put it like flat on your desk like this, and you just put all the brushes inside, and you can be like, you open it and you're like, ooh, I'm gonna use this one, and that way you don't make a mess. Like in my house, my mom's gonna be so happy because every time I go, I like the bathroom downstairs, I completely claim it as my own, and I just leave all my makeup out, and it's like brushes and everything. So now it's like an easy cleanup. You see, you just put it all in here. Whenever I need one, I just open it, I grab it, and then after I'm done doing my makeup, I close it, and it's all good. It's clean. I love it. So, and it also keeps your brushes protected and the shape protected. That's the main reason why it's so good. So I think it was $20. Not bad. Not bad. Also, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are coming up, so if you feel like this is a product that you could use, I would definitely wait until then. The next thing that I'm going to talk about are the palettes that I'm taking. So I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette just because I feel like it has so many staple colors in there that I use for whatever, and it has a whole bunch of reds and oranges and like just regular transition shade colors. So that is why I am taking this. I'm also taking ColourPop's Yes Please palette. Ooh, that's hard to see. That's really hard to see. There we go. The reason I'm taking this is because of the color palette. I feel like it's very fall. It's filled with oranges and reds and yellows. So I'm definitely going to dip into this palette and do some exploring. And the last palette I'm taking is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina. Because of the burnt colors in here, there's a lot of coppers and bronzes, and like this red is beautiful, this mustardy color is beautiful, and I really want to dip in here as well. So those are my 3 palettes. Next I'm taking, for highlight, I'm just taking this little sleek quad of highlighters. That way it's like easy traveling, and I could also choose there like what it is that I want. For blush, my Tarte blush, Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party broke. It like completely shattered. So I am going to be reverting back to my old ways and taking the Clinique in the shade Berry Delight. It's okay. It's a blush. It's a blush. It's alright. Alright. For powder, I am taking the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I recently picked this up and I've been liking it. I'm gonna do some more exploring and get back to you on that, but I really like it. For mascara, I'm taking MAC's Upward Lash Upward Black. I also need to pick up some more Lash Paradise, so I will be doing that before I leave for sure. But I like this one for my bottom lashes because it's very thin. It's a very thin applicator, so I feel like it's less messy. I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs black eyeliner. It's just a black eyeliner. And it's travel sized. That's why I'm taking it. And for setting spray, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Alright, so I believe that all we have left is to stick all of this in this bag and hope it fits. I have not tried this out yet, so I'm just hoping that it works. So I'm going to start with the Jaclyn Hill palette since it is the biggest. Okay, next I'm going to put in the ColourPop Yes Please and Norvina. Next I'm going to go ahead and put in the blush and the highlighter compacts. I'm going to go ahead and put in the lipstick bag, the foundation bag, the concealer and primer bag, so my roommate walked in and it was super awkward, so I stopped the video. But the next thing I did, I just finished putting in the rest of the stuff that I hadn't put in, like my loose powder and my setting spray and my nail polish, and that is it. I just packed it all in this bag, I zipped it up, and I'm ready to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not already, like this video, and I'll leave our Instagram down below so that you can follow it if you would like. I wish everyone a great break and a happy Thanksgiving. Bye!